Today, I'm going to show you how to use Cucumverse bot in Telegram. Cucumverse is a multi-wallet trading bot that trades on Pump.fun without sniper-based execution. So with that said, let's get started. Open the Telegram app and search for Cucumverse_bot. Next, click the Start button. First, we create or import a wallet. In this section, I will just import my key since I already have an existing wallet, but you can also create a new one if you want. After that, we generate bot wallets. There are several options you can choose when creating bot wallets. Simply select your desired number of bots. These bot wallets also come with a text file backup that you can download. This is useful in case you accidentally delete the bot wallets or if a bot crashes, which rarely happens. The next step is to distribute Solana to the bot wallets. In this example, I distributed 0.5 Sol to 10 wallets, so each bot wallet now has 0.05 Sol. Here you can also check the wallet status and the balances of each bot. Next is the trading panel. In this section, we can configure the trading settings. I applied 10% slippage to make the bot buy faster and avoid failed buy transactions. Then I set the minimum buy to 0.01 SOL, which is the lowest amount the bot can buy, and the maximum buy to 0.035 SOL. It's important to leave enough SOL for gas fees so the bot can execute both buy and sell transactions. Now let's check Pump.fun tokens and see which coin we can buy. Once we find a token, simply copy the token address and paste it into the bot. When you press the Start Trading button, the bot will ask you to enter the token address. As you can see, the bot wallets have started buying the token. The bot also displays how much Sol each wallet has spent on the token. You can view the token information and see how many tokens each bot wallet has purchased. There's also a sell button if you want to sell everything at once. All tokens from each bot wallet have been sold at the same time without any hassle. Now let's check the main wallet status. Next, let's transfer all the Sol from the bot wallets to the main wallet. Simply paste the address of your main wallet. Checking the main wallet status again, you can see that all the SOL from the bot wallets has been transferred to the main wallet in just a few seconds. And that's how the Cucumverse bot works, making it easy to manage and execute transactions across multiple wallets in a single action. That's it for this tutorial. Give it a try and see how it can simplify your trading workflow. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to leave a comment and we'll be happy to help.